Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Durgam Satyanarayana. I am on a mission to help 1 million people build generational wealth through the power of real estate investing. And today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful ways to achieve financial security, real estate investing. Specifically, we are diving into how rental properties can provide you with steady and predictable income. Many people dream of financial freedom, but they are not sure how to make it happen. Stock markets are volatile. Savings accounts offer low returns, but real estate it offers a consistent and reliable way to build wealth. When you invest in rental properties, you are investing in something tangible. Every month, tenants pay rent, which generates cash flow that can cover your expenses and leave you with profit. Over time, this steady flow of income builds financial security no matter what's in the economy. Let's break it down. A rental property generates consistent cash flow. Let's say you buy a property and after paying off your mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, you left with a monthly profit. Multiply that by several properties, and you have created a diversified, stable source of income. This is the power of real estate. Investing in rental properties can completely change your life so that you will have peace of mind knowing you will have a steady income that supports you no matter what happens in the economy, but doesn't stop at monthly rent. Over time your property increases in value, which is called appreciation. Combine that with paying down your mortgage and you are building equity, meaning your wealth is growing without having to lift a finger. And let's not forget about tax benefits. Real estate investors can take advantage of deductions like mortgage interest and depreciation, which means you can keep more of what you earn. As your portfolio grows, so does your financial security. Instead of relying on one source of income like a paycheck, you will have multiple properties generating cash flow. This means if one property is vacant for a month, the others can cover the shortfall. That's the kind of financial peace of mind most people dream of. So, how do you get started? The first step is research and planning. Make sure you are buying in areas with high rental demand, stable property values, and of course, always run the numbers. Calculate your expected expenses and compare them with the rental income to make sure you are getting a good deal. Here is a quick roadmap to getting started. 1. Educate yourself on the local real estate market. 2. Find a rental property that meets your financial goals. 3. Secure financing. 4. Manage the property effectively or hire a property manager or an employee. 5. Reinvest your profits into more properties to grow your portfolio. At the end of the day, financial security isn't just about the money, it is about peace of mind. Knowing that you have a consistent, predictable income means freedom. Freedom to live life on your terms, take vacations, spend time with family, and even retire early. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with someone who is interested in real estate. And subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I post videos weekly diving deep into real estate strategies, financial freedom, and wealth building tips. Don't miss. If you are ready to take the first step toward financial security, click the link below to schedule a free strategy session. Let's talk about how you can start generating steady income through real estate, and take control of your financial future. Start your journey to financial security today. Schedule your real estate free strategy session now. See you